Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Denpasar Nurai International Airport.
We're just on our way down to have breakfast for the last time, then kind of come up to the room and pack, and then head off for the day.
Papa!
Who's Papa?
We missed the first one.
Elevator.
Dada! We missed the first one because of Daddy. Let me out. Me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Oh, you broke it.
No, this is 3. Kiara. Kiara.
So yeah.
Kiara.
Come on. Why is this 3? Yeah, number 1.
Oh, number 2 here. Just kidding.
We could walk down to the sea. That would be alright with me. Build a castle in the sand. Knock it down, then do it all over again. I'm not lying, I've been dying for a little time. And it's times like these, it's plain to see exactly what we need. Let's play, let's make time to have some fun. Let's play, looking out for number 1. Let's sing, let's dance, I could use some more romance. Okay, it's okay if we play. We've had different points of view, but I'm not opposed to spending time with you. No more living in the past. I'm devoted to make every day a blast. I got a pocket of change, we could get away.
Alright, that's the end of the day. We're nearly getting in the taxi, heading off to the airport.
Yeah!
Then we'll go from Phuket to Singapore. And we'll have the 4 to 5 hour layover there. So that should be fun. Hopefully the kids have a little sleep on the plane. Then we'll jump on a plane from Singapore to Bali. We'll arrive at Bali 8 in the morning. And then we will head straight into the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.